Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So if you guys remember, recently Nothing rolled out Nothing OS 2.0 for Nothing Phone 1, which wasn't that stable. But now Nothing have rolled out a hotfix for that particular update, and that did improve user experience. So in this video, let's talk about that new hotfix update for Nothing Phone 1 and what it brings on the table. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, so here I have my Nothing Phone 1. I've already upgraded the device to latest build. First of all, let me show you the software information. Here you can see it says Nothing OS 2.0.2 and the build number is 1652. It has 1st August 2023 security patch. Though the update size was quite small, you can see it's 6.06 MB in size. But surprisingly, Nothing have improved in some areas with this small update. First, let's talk about the benchmark results. So these are the benchmark results which I did on the initial build of Nothing OS 2.0.2 before this hotfix, where you can see single core had scored 906 and multi-core scores were 2864. But after installing this latest build, I did notice improvements in the benchmark results both in single and multi-core. Also, the same results were seen with CPU throttling. On initial build, maximum CPU throttled up to 58% and there were a lot of throttling issues. But after this update, you can see still throttling issues were there because we ran 100 thread up to 30 minutes. But here CPU throttled up to 67%. And guys, now before moving ahead, if you like a content and if you think it's useful for you guys, then make sure to smash that like button and also consider subscribing. Now let me show you the change logs here. They have also mentioned a message which says we have listened to your feedback and made some improvements to enhance your mobile experience in this latest update. So these are the optimizations and the fixes what they have done. First one, they say they have optimized the temperature warning to prevent unnecessary hotspot shutdown. I personally don't use hotspot, but in our Telegram group, we have seen a lot of users complaining about it. So I tested out after installing this build. I made sure that my device temperature is close to 40 degrees Celsius and I was using hotspot from my Nothing Phone 1. Up to 40 degrees Celsius, I did not see any kind of temperature warning message on my device. So hopefully this thing have been taken care by Nothing, which users were facing. After that, they have also fixed some occasional issues of auto brightness turning off unexpectedly. In my usage, when I was using this device as my primary phone, I never faced that issue. But if you guys had faced, then do let me know in the comment section below. And later they say they have improved the overall stability. So here I did notice a lot of improvements when it comes to general usage, because if you guys remember wherein I made a video in comparing Nothing OS 1.5.6 with that of Nothing OS 2.0, during the shoot of that video, there were some issues like animations were laggy and also sometimes touch wasn't responding. But that's not the case here. After this update, everything seems to be working perfectly fine. Till now, I haven't encountered any kind of jitters or lags while using the device. So it's a great job done by Nothing team fixing such issues in a very small update. And now you can see UI responds pretty well when I touch the screen, and the animations are also improved. By the way, make sure to watch the comparison video of Nothing OS 1.5.6 with that of Nothing OS 2.0. You'll understand what changes does Nothing Phone 1 brings with Nothing OS 2.0 on table. And one thing which Nothing should fix, and that's related to Nothing icon pack. I mean to say those monochrome icons which you can see here. Until unless you manually update the application from the Google Play Store, you'll see few applications not adapting to the same thing. I generally don't use this icon pack, but after I installed latest build, I saw it was the same story and I had to download the Nothing icon pack from Play Store. So this thing I think Nothing should take care and it should be implemented in the system itself. When we saw a little bit of improvements in the performance, so we tested out BGMI. I played 2 TDMs and I did not notice any kind of frame drop. Device was properly maintaining between 55 to 60 FPS. But you guys let me know in the comment section below whether you guys want a full gaming test on Nothing Phone 1 running Nothing OS 2.0. Then we'll drop a full gaming test trying to land that hot drop, and we'll see how much frame drops we get to see. So guys, there's nothing much to cover in this video because I did not find any noticeable change. Very soon I'll be dropping an in-depth review. So if you guys have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.